Hey guys, today Got Talent. Everyone say hi. Everyone say hi. All right. Who's gonna go first? All right, you can go first.
I'll go second. Can I
Alright.
sing?
Yes, you can sing.
What's that? Wait.
See it. Let's see it. All right, guys. He's doing his talent.
Look down. I said look down. Me down, found the help. Got the strangest feeling. This is in our first
Dang, he's really good.
Yeah, I'm singing too. Can I go next? Can I go next? Finally wake up. Wake me up.
Oh my gosh, he's actually kind of good.
I know. Bad blood.
All right, I like it. I'm gonna give it. Honestly, I kind of like that song, so I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. An 8.
10. Hello.
Just said repeat.
My talent is I can put on my dumbest outfit ever.
All right, let's see it.
I can put on your dumbest outfit ever, please.
We'll see it.
Yeah. Do you want to play mini games? After you.
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to play mini games?
Oh.
Do you want to play my biggest talent? Can I go?
I'm just gonna, since it's actually kind of true. I'm gonna rate and 5. Okay.
Can I go second? Wait, can I go after purple? I am going to be singing 2 songs. Elliot's song and yours, but I hope you don't get offended by me. Like singing some. Can I go after purple? Can I go
Yes, you can go out of purple.
Yeah, you
All right,
can.
let's see it.
Okay, I will be singing. Should I sing Elliot's song first or
Just do Elliot's.
Elliot's song. Elliot. Oh God. Okay, I'm nervous. When on the day and the night. Okay. This is my on the day into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. You let my guard down, but you pulled the rug. I was kind of getting used to being someone you loved.
Wait, he kind of missed the line. All right.
I know I did. It's because I ran out of breath. Okay.
All right.
A 7. Good job.
Now he's doing past lives, guys. He's doing past lives. Here,
I'm gonna sing this fucking Donkey, and I'm gonna smash fucking Joker. I'm gonna fucking find you. I'm gonna fucking burn you in a fireplace. I'm gonna fucking. I don't really know the lyrics, by the way.
All right, I'll just rate it. I'll just rate you right now. Here, I'm gonna rate you. I like the Elliot song. I'm gonna give him an 8.
Okay.
All right.
My talent is I have no talent.
That's sad. I'm gonna give it a. But you know what's even sadder? A 1. He is getting a 1.
Wait, actually, no, that was a joke. This is my actual
Oh.
talent.
All right. What's your actual talent?
I bet he's gonna run into a wall. Yeah. How'd you predict it? Oh. Okay. I'll just do a new one. I'll sing Past Lives.
All right. Let's hear it.
Could never hold me down, lost love. But this is a 0 because what was that? The ground I had the strength, just feeling. This isn't our first
Alright.
time.
I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7.
Wait.
Now it's Red's monkeys.
Hey guys, my talent is saying my.
Alright, start singing it. What's your talent?
Taylor Swift. Oh, Taylor Swift. I love Taylor Swift. Ready? I don't.
Yes, we're ready.
Did you just say you love Taylor Swift? We got bad. We used to be mad, love. You should die. That's honestly cute, though. Hey.
I'm gonna give it.
Okay, I'll actually sing it. I'm actually do sound like Taylor Swift.
Alright.
I do sound like Taylor Swift.
Alright. I'm gonna give it. Guys, who wants to go next? I'm gonna give it 2 tires. So now they're gonna do a face-off.
Be alone. Move!
All right, let's hear it.
Your heart is pounding and it can't be stopped. You tell yourself you're okay. You're okay. It's too bad you don't have to keep the monsters away.
All right, I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna rate it now. I'm gonna rate it a 7. I'm gonna rate it a 7.
No.
All right, let's hear it. Let's hear it. Come over here. Let's hear it.
Hey, raise your hand if you know save your fears.
Just say it. Just say it. Just seen it.
Okay. Cause you know you should be mad.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Baby, now we got another day. I know. You run away.
Oh my gosh, I like that. Holy crap, that was awesome.
Can I
Wait.
take another song?
Purple, guess what? Purple, guess what? You just won the Monkeys Got Talent!
Wait.
You did it! You just monkeys the talent.
You did good, man.
Yeah, good job. It's hard to get second place.
I quit. Wait, who? What did I get?
Thank you guys for watching, and this was our Monkeys Got Talent.